Asuntoskeittiö Kerin korkea.
This is amazing also today on the 15th of July 2025 we have Huippukatu, the rate 5 staircase F here. We also need different staircases D and D here. We'll take the rats here, and it's also here in Liipola, Lahti, Finland, built in 1974. The Sibers was 3926, and it has to be the beginning of 1974.
Yeah.
There's A, B, and C are from late 1973.
Yeah.
It's from the turn of the year 1973, 1974.
Yeah, probably, but we have to check the serial numbers.
Yeah, we will do that. There are 6 floors here. Because it's not always big, even though it could be. But
Yeah.
the dog is barking.
Yeah, he's did back once. That made it by Tony.
You almost pressed the 4.
Yeah.
I like the sounds and the smell here.
Same here.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's